Alright guys, so here I am about to brush my hair. Wait, no, my eyebrow. I know I don't have a lot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and brush, tweeze, and cut some of it out because I'm trying to create this perfect eyebrow that God gave me. But anyway, I don't think it was perfect enough because I'm over here adding my own 2 cents into it. So the same thing I did on the other side is what I'm doing on this side. So I had to brush it down and then cut a little bit out of it just so it could be perfect. Even though I don't have a lot of eyebrow, but you gotta make sure it look really good. Now I gotta brush it back up and cut from the top because like I said, I'm still trying to get this perfect eyebrow. And then I'm gonna continue cutting even though I don't have a lot of eyebrow, but doing the same thing on the other side. Down, brush it down, cut from it, and brush it back up, cut from it again. And yeah, as you can see, it's looking really good. And brushing it up now and cut from it again. Now it's like I don't know what the heck I'm doing. It's just whatever going on is you'll get the final result. Okay, I did the same thing over there. I really don't have the eyebrow to do all this, but now I'm basically painting my eyebrow to add some more darkness into it because it was too freaking light. Now I'm trying to make it so pointy that it could poke somebody hard, but it's just hair, so really it's not gonna do much. You get what I'm saying? I did the same thing on the other side, and now I'm basically think I'm an engineer trying to take some measure from here to there, and then all of a sudden it's gonna look perfect like I planned it out. Yep, so now I'm still doing my engineer work, and now I'm just gonna blend it in and trying to create this illusion that you think I have all this eyebrow, but really it's just a lot of crayons and nonsense. I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and basically to create the same illusion again. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's going perfectly fine, and it's getting really dark, or maybe the sun is out, but it's okay. Now I'm just gonna brush it down on the other side to make it look even and all this, now I gotta add some more at the top. Now it's like I'm filling it in to make sure everything look really dark, but not too dark, but dark in a perfecting way. You understand? I'm doing the same thing on the other side. That's a lot of going back and forth. I'm not even gonna lie, my arm hurt, and I'm only doing this for you guys, but right now it's like it's a lot of work, but I'm not gonna continue on doing it. So far the eyebrows really looking thick, but not authentic because it's a crayon. It's always gonna show, but it's gonna look really nice at the end, I promise. So make sure to continue to watch this. And okay, right now I'm still adding, and I honestly, not gonna lie to you guys, I'm tired of doing this back and forth stuff, and but as of right now you can see that it's coming in really good. Now I'm filling in with the darkness again, to make it look right, to make it look nice. Yeah, same thing. I don't know what the heck is I'm adding on right now, but yeah, just a little bit more. Just gonna keep adding to make sure everything blend in. Now jump on the other side, and I'm gonna add some more dark, and to basically put all the spot that I just took out from my actual eyebrow. Now I'm gonna add some fake or unauthentic, whatever they're called. But so right now I'm getting it smoother, making it look nice. And now I'm gonna add some, I don't know what is that, but I think it's something that could basically match with my skin tone, to basically show that my eyebrow is legit and it's not like okay, I'm gonna do the same thing at the very top to basically look, I can't wait for you guys to see this, because at the end it's gonna look amazing. But as of right now, it's like it feels like I'm going in okay, this is very hard to explain, but as of right now, as you can see, I'm trying to make this thing look really nice and standing out. Basically, that's the way I want to make it look for you guys. Okay, it's almost there. As you can see, the eyebrow is standing out like I said before, and I'm just gonna keep smoothing it around it, and it's looking like a boomerang, but I don't know, because that's the pointy eyebrow. But so I jump on the other side to basically smooth it out, do the same thing over and over, and that's a lot of repetitive stuff, guys. But shoot, my arm hurt. I had to take a shit, but I couldn't really get up because I was in the middle of this situation. I have all sort of problem right now, but at the end of the day, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue on doing this. Oh, I look really good. I'm not good. Okay, now it's time to blend this thing in and make sure my eyebrow pop out. And you know, now it's like it's a lot of pencil, crayons, whatever I have, that's gonna go down my eyebrow, that's gonna go down my forehead, to go basically blend everything in to smooth out my skin. As you can see, I really got this thing going on. I think I'm a professional right now. So if you ever want to book me, I'm here. But this is not a promotion. This is just like saying that I'm getting better. But to continue, I have I feel like I got this unibrow going, but really it's not, because I stop it in the middle. But if you were to look at it really close, it seemed like it's a unibrow. So to continue, I basically be doing the same thing over and over, jumping back and forth, and added a bunch of makeup on my face that I'm gonna wash out and right after this video over, because I have time to waste. So yeah, here you go, guys. This is the final moment. Let me know what you think. I know I look really good. Yes, and of course I look amazing. Yeah.